Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. Today I have an unboxing for you. I am unboxing or unbagging Basic Man. And I do get two of these, one for my husband, one for my son. These retail for $19.95 and maybe it's $19.99. Either way, it's just a couple pennies off. They really like this subscription. They like the quality of the shirt, socks, and underwear that come in them. Moving on. So just a quick reminder, there is a giveaway going on that is linked down below. So check that out. I can't wait until we hit 1,000 subscribers. Also, just in case any of you are wondering, my husband is the one that has done my intro and my outro, and his information is also down below. On top of that, he has done, he's actually done another intro for another YouTuber and is working on another one. So as his credits progress, those will also be linked down below. Okay, so getting into Basic Man. First, we have the socks, and they are just a nice black and gray striped socks. And I don't know, I feel like these are really well made. They're thick and they're soft. They don't feel, I'm gonna go ahead and rip this off. You know, on the inside, it looks like the seaming is just really nice. You know how sometimes you get into socks like this and you can see how like there's just a little thread hanging here, but sometimes you get into socks like this and there's like those threads just everywhere, and that does not seem to be an issue with this brand of socks. So my husband really appreciates that, and it is looking like the theme is black or black and gray. So the next thing is the undershirt, and oh, this is my son's bag, not my husband's bag. So the really cool thing about these brands is that they tell you a destroyed by. So basically what, oh, this shirt is so soft. So basically what that means, sorry, my hair is still wet, trying to dry. So basically what that means is that most underclothing has an expiration date, and I think it's just really nice that they put that reminder in there. So that is nice. That's just a nice soft black shirt. And then the last thing I'm pulling out are the underwear, and they also have the destroyed by date in there. I don't know if you can see that, but and these are also really soft. So and they have the little pocket in the pocket, you know, the little thing in the front. But that is what I have for you for Basic Man. And don't forget, soon I have a thread up haul, because, you know, being on a no buy, I buy things. Kind of happens. I've been really good. I really have. I've been really good. So it is what it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and have a great day. Bye.